So Rajesh, you are talking something about sports science. So can you throw some more light
Yeah.
on it?
See, as I said that we opened the door and realized so many problems of grassroots sports. Then we realized that firstly grounds were not available. That problem is a separate issue. We will speak on that separately. But then we realized that Virat Kohli, when we see him hitting a six to a fast bowler with a straight bat, was never seen before. And how is it possible? Then, when we studied it, we realized that there is a lot of sports science behind that. He has a special strength and conditioning expert. He has sports physiotherapies, then his nutrition. As we all know, he has become a vegan, and so many other things are there. Sports psychology is there. Earlier, I think before 1990, India used to just have one manager. That same manager used to be the coach. The same manager would be a nutrition expert. The same manager would be physiotherapist and everything. Now it had changed, and we realize that this is where those players are performing at international level. Then why not provide these facilities to the grassroots players? The facilities which Virat Kohli is getting, why not they should be made available for grassroots sports at affordable cost? So that was our main intention. So we could gather few experts in this. Especially, I would like to mention Dr. Yuvraj Singh of Positive Physiotherapy, who has joined hands with us, and we have formed a sprint program. In that sprint program, we provide all these supports like sports physiotherapy, then sports nutrition, then strength and conditioning, psychology, then soft skills. As Shirish always says, a player has to play his second innings very well nowadays. After he retires, it's not only the game. Once he hangs his boot, then that after that starts his next career as commentator or maybe coach or maybe some sports science expert. So many options are there, and for that, good communication is required. So, in our sprint program, we have included soft skills also, like presentation skills, communication skills. Then, also some legal support we give in that sprint program because these players play a lot of leagues these days, and to play leagues, you have to sign some contract, and many times the players are so excited that they are getting an opportunity to play, they just sign without looking into what are the clauses. And that is where a player has to be informed about what are the clauses there, where you can't play and where you can play. All these things we try to give in that legal support. So it has worked miracles, and these days weekend sports persons are also serious. Those who play it on Saturday, Sunday also want to play it at good level. So these things are important now, and we have started that program, and results are amazing. Many sports person, many athletes have appreciated it. It's all about our sports science.
In this connection, I would like to add that everyone may be knowing that Indian cricketers have to pass a yo-yo test. There is one test called yo-yo, which is a stamina test,
Endurance.
and there are scores. Minimum score 16 is required. So what we thought was, if that test is available for top level cricketers, why not for grassroots players? Because ultimately that is the criteria to get into Indian team or in any sport. So what we did was, we studied what is yo-yo test with Dr. Yuvraj Singh, as he said. He was there, and they all studied how to conduct, how to get the participants. That all we decided, and then we conducted the yo-yo test for the grassroots players, young players. Most of them did not know what is the yo-yo test, and we around 150 players or sports persons were there, including girls, and the event became so successful. And there is a means it is surprised that we are surprised that none of the players could pass the criteria to get into the Indian team. So, but we are happy that they at least were made aware of it.
Unbelievable.
The sports, they feel that they are fit.
Yeah, and we are very we can say proud to say that this was the first yo-yo test conducted in India for the grassroots sports. Otherwise, it was only available for top level Indian cricketers or maybe some other sports.
Amazing, amazing. Superb. So this is the end of video number 4. We'll continue with video number 5.